Find the equation of a line with gradient 3/4 that passes through 5 minus 2. So I want to find this in a general form. When I say general form, I mean ax plus by equals d, where a, b and d are all integers and a is positive. B or d could be positive, could be negative, but I want a to be positive. Now when you're doing something like this, it's not the only way, but if you're looking for general form and you're given a point on the line and a gradient, I think this alternative equation of a straight line is better to get to general form. So that is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. Right, so just deconstructing that a bit, the y is literally just y, so you will write y. y1 is the y value of a known point on the line. M is the gradient that we know. X is just x, we're going to write x, and x1 is the x value of the known point on the line. So we know about the point 5 minus 2. So x1 is your 5, that's the x value of the point, and y1 is your minus 2. We've also been told that the gradient is 3/4, so m is your 3/4. So we're going to write y minus y1, so y minus minus 2 equals m. 3/4, x minus x1 is 5. Right, so now when you get something like this, I would avoid trying to expand this bracket when you've got a fraction. What you want to be doing is multiplying both sides by the denominator of that fraction. This is where a lot of people go wrong actually, so I'm going to times by 4 both sides. This side here, just before I times by 4, y minus minus 2 is y plus 2. So y plus 2, and I want to multiply that whole side by 4, so that's going to look like that. Equals, now this is the step that people get a bit confused about. If I'm doing 3/4 of this times 4, the whole reason why I'm doing that is to get rid of the 4. If you just think basically 3/4 times 4, if you thought about even 3/4 times 4 over 1, the 4's cancel and you just end up with 3. So what's going to happen on here, it's going to be 3 times x minus 5. I see a lot of people, they end up with kind of another 3. They think they have to put a 3 into this bracket as well. This right hand side is only one term, it's factorized, so once I multiply by 4 I only need to just do that one step there. Now I'm going to expand both brackets, so 4y plus 8 equals 3x minus 15. Now if you remember what I'm aiming at, ax plus by equals d, and I want a to be positive, so I can flip them around later, but I'm going to keep my 3x here because I want it to be positive. So I'm going to subtract 4y from both sides, and I'm going to move the 15 over there. So I'm going to say 8. I'm going to add 15 to both sides. 8 plus 15 equals, leave the 3x where it is, subtract 4y. 8 plus 15 is 23, equals 3x minus 4y, which is nearly finished, but you need to just swap them around. So it needs to be ax plus by equals d, not d equals ax plus by. So your final answer will be 3x minus 4y equals 23.